Hello, YTPC family. I hope everybody is doing amaze balls. What a beautiful day today. Got up, got a great workout in, had a great cup of Queen Bee coconut cream coffee. Oh my gosh. With my coconut beach beard balm. I should have been playing Jimmy Buffett this morning. I've got my corn cob pipe. Love it. No filter. Rubber tip. I don't like to break my teeth. Father Dempsey. Love Father Dempsey. Please, after you like and subscribe, tell me in the comments, what do you think about Father Dempsey? Tell me what you think about your corncob pipe, or if you've never smoked a corncob pipe, are you a fan? Do you want to try it? And I have a request, a how-to video request, if it's possible. This morning, after I got back from the gym, sat down in the coffee nook with the iPad, watched a video with some of that yummy coconut cream coffee. Put it down, put the iPad down on the footrest, and as the video was playing, my wife started watching it, and Alistair, the rambling piper, held up a jar of pickled eggs, and my wife said, "Yes, I want that." Alistair, what do you think about doing a how to pickle your eggs? Because as you ate that one egg, and I don't know how you did it and ate just one egg, I'm like, okay, what did it taste like? Vinegar? Was it salty? It made me want to eat the whole jar. So the video overall was awesome, as always. And I know you said everybody was hitting you up about that, without asking you about the pipe tobacco, or anything else. So that was awesome. So you might have found you might do a little Julia Childs in your videos on pickling and anything else. I know I did some pickling with some pickles about a year ago, and they turned out pretty decent, but not as yummy looking as those eggs. And I've got my Bigfoot Overwatch over here. I've got my purple Overwatch up the hill in the garage, and now I've got my Aloysius, as my daughter calls it, Overwatch, trying to get some of these squirrels to stay away from a blackberry bush, raspberry, blueberry, grapes. If you can see the grape right over my shoulder there, and I'll try to post a picture right about here in the video. These things, this is the first year that they've really started to bloom and kind of grow bigger, so hopefully they continue. Hopefully the Lord will bless us with some good, fat, juicy grapes. No chemicals, no nothing, just out of the ground. Yummy. And my wife's always wanting some stuff for each season of the year: Halloween, Christmas, 4th of July, spring, fall, all this kind of stuff. So I do all kinds of stuff. If you saw some of my other videos where I did the welcome sign, welcome to spring, And today I did a Grinch tree. Yes, a Grinch tree. I think it turned out pretty well. She was excited about it. And I got it from Who's the Voss. He does a lot of great content. I mean, I like the way he lays his content out. He doesn't, he's funny. He does a lot of good, funny videos. But when I'm looking for some fun woodworking things, I want people to lay it out really, really good. Because a lot of them will do the woodworking videos and they say nothing about cutting, measuring. They don't put anything in the comments, the description. And of course, and I get it, but he's awesome. He's like, look, I'm giving you free plans for anything I do, which I appreciate. And I don't mind paying because I've done some really good stuff, fun stuff. And I paid the $4 or whatever it was for the Etsy download. Totally don't mind it, supporting them. But I appreciate Who's the Boss. Doing great work, sir. Maybe, maybe he'll watch some of these videos and do some woodworking, smoking a pipe. I don't want to call it a challenge, but. And there is a beautiful red bird that just landed on my fence. Y'all know what I've said in the past about red birds. Red birds are good luck. The story goes that when a red bird lands near you, it's usually someone from your past who's passed on to a good place, just coming by to say hello. I believe it. What do you think? Trying to get the pool ready. I think she's doing pretty good. Got the chairs out and everything ready for some friends that are coming all the way over from the other side of the country that my wife grew up with to hang out, do some field trips with my wife and daughter. That'll be fun. And reminisce. Well, won't keep it long. But as I always say, I hope that everybody is doing great. I hope everybody in their family is healthy and happy, doing great. I hope you have a great pipe, a great tobacco, Father Dempsey. And as I always end my videos, I hope everybody believes it. I hope everybody can say it and say it with me. I ask you to be great.